we coughing? Are you a little congested? A little bit? Euclid. I love you. I love you. Good boy.